Hey, Landry, you gonna come get me? Come find me. I'm gonna hide. Where are you? You're getting closer. There you are! You found me! Hey, where are you going? Landry, I'm this way. Come see me. You're not gonna come see me because the camera? Hey, come on. Oh, burps. Huh, burps. We just had lunch. Yeah, come see me. Come get me. Hey, little stinker. I was just telling everybody how you come and get me, and now you're not going to, are you? No, you're not? Well, come on. Well, where are you going? That's the wrong direction. Come see me. I'm this way. What, you found me and that's it? Not as exciting as you thought, huh? Yeah, come here. Hey, am I chopped liver already? Handsome boy. You gonna go take my slippers? Landry. I guess we're done. You're not gonna come get me? Hey, Bubs. Yep, that's my slipper. Okay, well, since you're not gonna come get me, can you say bye? Say bye. Bye. Nothing. Typical kid, huh? Nothing. Bye. Adios.